Want to say something to Grandpa? Want to say hi to Grandma? Can you blow them bubbles or something maybe? What else? Can you say, what? Looking at the doggy? Can you say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. I miss you. Too busy eating that scarf, huh? Well, it's a nice one. Yeah, it's nice. Clap, clap, clap. Let's check out your hair. How's your hair today? Oh, little hat hair, huh? Well, I think it looks... Yeah, I think it looks gorgeous. You rocking on your rocking chair? Are you trying to lean down and get your doll? Here it is. There she is. Yeah. There's your dolly. Yep, give her a kiss. Good job. Okay, say bye to Grandma and Grandpa. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You can do it. Good girl. Bye-bye. Good girl. Bye-bye. Okay.